Lose belly fat in 7 days. Simple exercises and diet plan. So, you've been trying to lose belly fat for weeks, months, maybe even years. But let me guess, your diet looks something like this. Monday, healthy eating starts today. Wednesday, just one slice of pizza won't hurt. Friday, okay, I'll start again next Monday. We've all been there. And if you've ever tried random AB workouts from the internet, hoping to get a six-pack overnight, well, I have some bad news. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. But don't worry. Today, I'm giving you a 100% effective 7-day plan with simple exercises and a realistic diet so you can actually start seeing results in just a week. And no, I'm not talking about starving yourself or doing 1,000 sit-ups. Stay till the end for a surprising fat-burning hack that most people don't know about. Step 1. Fix your diet. Because abs are made in the kitchen. First, let's talk about what not to eat because most people sabotage their results without realizing it. Common mistakes. Skipping breakfast. No, coffee alone isn't a meal. Drinking soda instead of water. Liquid sugar is belly fat's best friend. Eating low-fat snacks. They're usually loaded with sugar. What to eat instead? Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil. They keep you full longer. Lean protein, chicken, fish, eggs, boost metabolism and burn fat. Fiber-rich foods, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, help digestion and reduce bloating. And here's a secret fat-burning drink. Mix warm water, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. Drink it in the morning before eating. It kickstarts digestion and helps with bloating. Step 2. Do these fat-burning exercises. No gym needed. Okay, let's be real. Most people do 100 crunches thinking it will burn belly fat. Big mistake. You need full-body movements to melt fat effectively. Try this 10-minute daily workout. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Warms up your body. Plank, 45 seconds. Targets core strength. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Melts belly fat fast. Squats, 1 minute. Activates multiple muscle groups. Burpees, 1 minute. The ultimate fat burner. Repeat this circuit twice, and trust me, you'll feel the burn. Step 3. Small habits that boost fat loss. Sometimes, it's not about working harder, but smarter. Drink more water. Dehydration slows metabolism. Aim for 8 glasses daily. Walk after meals. Just 10 minutes of walking can help burn calories faster. Fix your sleep. Less than 7 hours of sleep increases belly fat storage. And here's something nobody tells you. Stress equals belly fat. High stress increases cortisol, which stores fat in your stomach. So, take deep breaths, meditate, or just watch funny cat videos. Whatever keeps you relaxed. So, there you have it. A foolproof 7-day belly fat plan that actually works. Recap. Eat real food, not processed junk. Do fat-burning workouts, not just crunches. Build healthy habits, water, sleep, stress control. If you found this helpful, imagine what you'll learn in our next videos. Comment below. What's your biggest struggle with belly fat? Let's solve it together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on game-changing health tips. More science-backed and no BS content coming your way. Like, share, and subscribe for more.